What is wrong with you? Oh my fucking god. Seriously?
Tells you anything different, he's a liar and a snake. You. Okay.
What's all that noise?
Everything's just gonna turn around now.
Go to sleep. No.
Ooh, you okay?
That's crazy, that is.
Boys! Kevin, move onward. What is happening? Kevin! What is happening? I volunteer! I volunteer! I volunteer as tribute!
Dança, papai. Um cachorro feliz, feliz, feliz. Um cachorro feliz.
The crowd is going crazy. Cynthia's way out ahead. You gotta get this dog one. They do. Are they gonna get a sub 30?
Oh my.
Look at this.
They will.
Suni is a gamer. This routine is going quite well so far. Here. Gus. Gus, come on. Come on. Go, Gus.
Hey, how's it going?
Oh, dear.
All right. Let me get a smile. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Cheese.
What? You've only had like what, 4 naps? Awful tough.
Buds, get down. It's not a real cheeseburger. It's not a real cheeseburger, Buds. Well, now you want the...
Mango. Good one.
Why is he looking at me like that? What's up, little bud? Got a staring problem, pal?
Ziggy gang in this motherfucker. No! No, bitch! Nigga, what the fuck?
Oh my gosh, I just remembered something. I love you.
Are you watching TV? Were you watching the sad commercial with all the puppies in the pound? Keep it up and you're gonna go there.
You want a butt scratch? Oh, okay.
Clarence.
You whisper bark. You go whoop. Yeah, like that.
Rue. Rue. Rue.
Oh, he knows. He knows. Hey, dude. Hey, dude.
Oh my. Gonna fall asleep. What? It's like a...
Who did it, Henry? Huh? Who was it?
Here on the farm, the pea tree is finally ready for harvest. But the farmer has discovered a problem. The garden gremlin.
No. You do not bite. No.
Oh, whoa. Oh, whoa, whoa. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto. Coffee. Here's a treat. Here.
小宝回来。
闹闹在欺负小宝的闹闹。
Get a great thing, they said. It'll be great, they said. God damn it, you. You're not a lap dog.
Why? Oh, that doesn't really clear it up, but.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! Alfie, how many times did I tell you not to take my slippers? Let go. Let go. Let go. So I wanted to ask you something. Do you want to go? Do you want to go on a walk?
Hey, it's me, Ivy.
Oh, all right. Sarge, come here.
Wow. Crazy. You're crazy. Estas cores. Nothing's happened. What about? This way. We go home, okay? Do you want to go home?
Alfie. Oh no!
Go pee. Come here. It's just water. Go. Do you have to pee?
알았어, 알았어. 미안해. 아, 진짜 줄게.
Wipe your feet. Go wipe your feet. Wipe your feet. Wipe your feet.
Non mais c'est une blague. Mais il y a...
My mummy called me pretty today. Well, actually, she said I'm pretty annoying. But I only focus on the...
Do you want to come to West Virginia? I wish you could right now. We miss you.
Fucking evil, this thing. Look at its teeth, man.
Bro. Bro, no way.
Gonna lay right here and have myself a little nappy. A nice little nappy do. A little macaroni and cheese, if you will.
Whoa. Kippy.
Jet.
I don't think I've ever showed you Coco's tricks. Sit. Bang, bang. Bang, bang.
You wanna go take a bath? Because you're gross. Huh? Oh, I know you like baths, don't you?
Oh my goodness.
Mushu, what are you doing? Come, Mushu.
Downward facing dog. Upward facing dog. Downward facing dog.
Sadie, go back in the house. Go. Good girl.
Good boy. Oh, Gillet. Oh, good boy. Gillet. That's nasty. Let me cuddle Gillet. Oh, Gillet. Oh, that's a